drips, clock ticks, thoughts heavy in my chest. Street lights flicker, I'm a sinner at my best. Mirror on the wall, show me what I can't confess. A shadow in the rain, drowning in my own mess. Rain. Fingers trace the fog on a midnight pain. Memories creep in, sharper than a migraine. Empty bottles talking louder than my own name. Catching ghosts in the mirror, they all look the same. Whispers in the dark, they tell me to stay, but the road's calling louder, pulling me away. Shadows in the rain, I can't stay still. Running from the pain, chasing what's real. Round and round again, it's the same drill. Shadows in the rain, but I climb uphill. Shadows in the rain, I can't stay still. Running from the pain, chasing what's real. Round and round again, it's the same drill. Shadows in the rain, but I climb uphill. Every step echoes, pavement hums low. Souls stitched together with threads I can't sew. Heartbeat sinks with the city's faint glow. Lost and found myself in the undertow. Windows cracked open, let the cold wind creep. Secrets in the breeze, they cut so deep. Counting every scar like they're counting sheep. Wide awake in a dream, I don't ever sleep. Shadows in the rain, I can't stay still. Running from the pain, chasing what's real. Round and round again, it's the same drill. Shadows in the rain, but I climb up real. Shadows in the rain, I can't stay still. Running from the pain, chasing what's real. Round and round again, it's the same drill. Shadows in the rain, but I climb uphill.